Welcome to this short course on programming using the Python TWS API. Prerequisites for this course include a Windows, Linux, or Mac OS computer with a graphical user interface and Python 3.3 or higher installed, some familiarity with Python programming, and an awareness that the TWS API utilizes socket programming, multiple threads, and other concepts which it is recommended to be familiar with beforehand. For listeners unfamiliar with this topic, it is suggested to first try an Introduction to Python course which covers these topics. The intended audience for this video series are programmers with experience in Python who are interested in building custom applications. Interactive Brokers offers several trading platforms, including Trader Workstation, or TWS, which is a Java-based application that runs on any major desktop operating system, supporting a graphical user interface like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. For security reasons, TWS is designed to require the end user to manually enter credentials into the user interface. Client Portal, which is a web-based platform for trading and other account functions, or IBKR Mobile, the mobile trading app for Apple and Android smartphones. In addition to using Interactive Brokers trading software, there are several ways by which custom or third-party trading applications can be placed to Interactive Brokers accounts. One common means of connection available to all clients is the TWS API. Other connections include the Web API and fixed CTCI connections. The API offerings are detailed on our website, interactivebrokers.com. The Trader Workstation API is an open-source interface to TWS, which can be used by custom or third-party applications to automate TWS functionality, including, but not limited to, order placement, receiving account values, receiving portfolio data, receiving market data, and querying financial instrument details. It is important to keep in mind that the TWS API itself does not provide new functionality unavailable in Trader Workstation, but rather provides the ability to automate some functions within TWS from external software. The TWS API is provided under a non-commercial license agreement from interactivebrokers.github.io and can be used by a programmer to write a custom application that connects to Trader Workstation. Since this code is entirely in general programming languages such as Python, Java, C#, and C++, the intended audience for the source code are experienced third-party programmers with a background in one of these languages. To develop applications which do not fit under the default non-commercial license agreement, a commercial license agreement is available on request. More than 100 applications compatible with the TWS API have been developed by third-party developers, and many more are advertised to investors on the investor marketplace on the Interactive Brokers website. This concludes our introduction on the TWS API. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please be sure to review our documentation or leave a comment below this video. We look forward to having you in the next lesson of our TWS API series.